Well, alrighty. So I've been putting some time in on this sawmill, and I'm absolutely loving it. I've got 2.9 hours. You see that? 2.9 hours on the old vibro counter meter, and just did a big old loblolly pine. Well, not a big old loblolly pine. It was only about 6 or so feet long. I did one yesterday too. Just made some fence boards just to practice and try to figure this whole thing out. But it looks like everything's looking pretty level and even and yada yada. I cut these at 3/4 inch, and I'm going to use these to panel the inside of my shop. And it should look awesome. I don't even know what size they are. I'll probably have to eventually rip them all down equal once I get a big old stack. I'm going to keep going. I've got another log over there. That log right there is the exact same. It came off the same tree, so I'll mill that, and hopefully that'll get me a pretty good bit of paneling for the wall. Obviously, I'm going to need a whole lot, but I've got a lot of white pine over there. But anyway, and then for what was left, I just went ahead and cut some more stickers for the slabs, and then 4 2x4s roughly. I don't even think they're 3.5. I don't even know what size they are. I just wanted to cut something. But anyway, so I have this big pile of cherry over there, and it's starting to get this orange fungus on it. And I'm not really sure what kind of fungus that is. And normally I don't touch this stuff, but it left a little bit of orange on my fingers. But anyway, I don't think it's, I don't know if it's toxic, but I mean, most of the time it's got like the toxic stuff I think has gills and things of that nature and grows in poop and whatnot. But anyway, so this is a little bit of cherry that my neighbor gave me. It's got some real pretty knots in it. Like in here, this stuff's gonna be stupid pretty. And I just wanted to show everybody. So I'm gonna mill this up. I'm gonna pause, mill, and then get back on it. All right, so the issue I'm running into right now is these log clamps for, I don't know what they're actually called, but I guess a log clamp will work. But it only came with one, and I didn't realize that, so I went ahead and ordered another. So these shorter logs are just going to be tough to do, and I'm not real sure on what to do about it because they want to pivot as soon as that blade hits them. But that's some pretty wood. I love cherry. That's what I did our bar out of, and this stuff has been sitting for a minute, so it should end up being quite beautiful. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of share that with everybody. I'm absolutely loving the mill. Yeah, wish I'd have done it sooner. I already kind of wish I would have went bigger, but I didn't really want to spend that much more money, and I think this will suffice for quite some time. But it's more manual, you know, which is fine. I mean, I went from a chainsaw mill to this, so it's a huge step up in production. Like, it would have taken me forever to get those that straight and clean. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with everybody. Yeah, so yeah, thanks. Anyway, later.